Bonjour! For today's video we're looking at the prepositions of place in French, so les prépositions de lieu. And so, the ones that we've been learning so far are en face de, facing, derrière, behind, devant, in front of, à côté de, beside, à l'angle de, on the corner of, loin de, far from, près de, close to, et entre something and something, between something and something. Now, you'll notice that some of these prepositions of place end with de, while some don't. There is one there, isn't one there, there is one here, there's one here as well, one here, and nothing here. It's important to know which ones do and do not have de on the end, because that can influence your formation when responding to a question, such as où est le marché? So it's derrière, behind, devant, in front, or entre, between something and something. However, the formation will change again if it's en face de, it's facing something, à l'angle de, at the corner de, à côté de, près de, close to, loin de. So, some examples. Où est la banque? Where is the bank? C'est devant, it's in front of, la boulangerie. Now, looking at our list over here, devant, in front of, does not take de. So in that case, it's just adding on la boulangerie, the bakery. So it's in front of, so in front of in the one preposition of place here, devant, it's in front of la boulangerie, the boulangerie. It's in front of the bakery. The next example, c'est à côté de la boulangerie. Now, à côté de, therefore we're including the de plus la boulangerie. C'est à côté de la boulangerie. Now, the formation in general is où est la banque? That's the question. Where is the bank? Then for the answer you've got c'est, it's, then you have your preposition of place, whether it be beside, in front of, behind, and so on. Now, if it's one of the preposition of place in this second column here that has de, you need to observe a few rules. If the noun following the place is feminine, you need to include la, de la. If it's masculine, de le, it becomes du, because you cannot have de and le side by side if that building is masculine. Then you have the place at the end. So, number one. So, où est la banque? C'est derrière la café. Derrière is not one of the ones that has de, so you don't need de. C'est derrière le café. It's behind the cafe. C'est derrière un café means it's behind a cafe. They pretty much follow the same formula. However, the first one is the cafe, one in particular, whereas the second one is a cafe, behind a cafe. So, no de after the derrière because it doesn't have de afterward. Now, number three. C'est en face de la mairie. It's facing the city hall. Now, en face de has de. Now you need the la for mairie, because mairie, city hall, is feminine. However, when it comes to à côté du lycée, lycée is a masculine word. Therefore, it's not de le, it becomes du. C'est à côté du lycée. It's next to the primary school. Some other examples. So, choisissez la bonne réponse. Choose the correct answer. Où est la cinéma? Where's the cinema? Number one, it's beside the bank. Is it c'est à côté de la banque? Or is it c'est à côté du banque? The answer is A, c'est à côté de la banque, because banque, particularly with the E on the end, is a feminine word. Now, the second one, it's behind the station. C'est derrière la gare, or c'est derrière de la gare. The answer is A, c'est derrière la gare, because derrière is one of the prepositions of place that doesn't have de on the end. Now, s'entraîner. This is examples, like a mini quiz. Vrai ou faux, true or false. Où est le croissant? C'est devant le café. Is that vrai or faux? Oui, c'est vrai. Le croissant, c'est devant, in front of le café. Devant, one of the words with that de. Number 2. C'est à côté de la confiture. So here's your croissant. Oui, c'est à côté de, next to, correct. Confiture, c'est féminin, so therefore it's de la confiture. The next one. C'est près du sel. Sel being salt, sel being masculine, therefore it's de la becomes du. C'est près, close to, du sel. C'est loin de moi. It's far from me. Non, c'est pas vrai. It can't be true. Et voilà, la fin.